damn it. What the fuck are you doing? Seriously, what the fuck was that?
Oh, dude.
Bye.
Did you see that?
Yeah.
It's on my dash cam too. Pause that. I don't know how to do it.
$1,000 this past week with the 12K payday. What are you going to use that cash on?
I'm going to buy some car parts.
Car parts, maybe stuff for your house, whatever you need, whatever you could use. $1,000 on. Your next chance is Monday, just after 6 with the Bobby Bone Show. Right here on KJ97, San Antonio's #1 for.
I just figured I'll just take them out I know.
Oh. Did he just run into him? He just ran into him.
Like ran?
Like he just ran into the back of that person.
Who?
The person right there.
The
literally,
white car?
yeah, that white car just
Is
ran.
that Honda?
Yep.
Doesn't look like that Honda's messed up.
Good repairs in the under each snare intangible that you didn't get so awesome. Oh, are they running? Are they running? Oh, are they running? Are they running? Oh shit, they're running.
If you can catch up, I got my phone ready.
Yeah, she's trying to get it too.
It's that white car.
It's okay. Been there. Not really, but.
Oh God. It wasn't as much as a guy that paid a lot of money, a member of the group. It's like a family.
Whoa!
Some problems that ultimately led to your leaving before the 21 days. What was going on?
Well, I had like a painful spot on my face, on my chin, and it was really one of, sometime in the first week, I didn't know, is it a zit? Is it a mosquito bite that's sort of sore? Who knows? I don't want to say like I'm super vain. I would say I don't feel like I have the strongest chin. And I just felt like the universe was giving me a lesson, when I went on TV in front of the universe, like naked, completely revealing myself for people's judgment. My chin swelled up and became massive over the course of the 2 weeks. I think that's very funny and ironic, but I just got this massive swelling on my neck and just started feeling very ill. And I don't want to give any spoilers, but I did end up in a hospital.
You okay? All right.